December mu na wo e. Na mo sre cream, procre, na mo sekin na toso, na ye nam. 180 gallons of fuel a month. You man furnished accommodation. Akonya oteso. WC obenim. Sink obetwitwi ne se. Curtains e wo ho. Enkonya obetra so. Entre bed sheet, bed spread, again, finished accommodation, and then sika kapre enim, and yadema one minister of state. Now, bra worry on Hineba. Kwaria pa worry on Hinebada. Utum for Poku and a car, so one more brown worry on Hineba. To them catch on us. There we are. Every minister or dedicated dispatch rather. Meboa. Ate bam 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 krabaru bam 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 Saka no anya bai never ansa ya man garden boy akotwitwa ne garden so meboa police escort and they baako at the camp na baako so bia gate ofie tie the post for crowd ministers be them crash post for say won wofufuo so ye post ni na come minister na yire fie wote wana wan wofufuo ade ya report we na asesa adenta ade minister fie e ho etoba minister fie e ho etoba okay ka we nyina bomu a we are spending 591,000 Ghana cedis on one minister. Why are we doing this to ourselves as a country? Let me put this phone somewhere. Why are we doing this? Why? Why are we doing this? I am not saying don't give ministers the things that they will need to work. Yes, give it to them. But tell me, regional ministers say what Ghana was so fast. What they saying? Obin Kanchani say regional ministers say what Ghana was so fast. What they saying? That they enjoy all these benefits. I'm not going to touch your question. So refund this Asika we win na adeba Obey Minister of Works and Housing. Jamadia Bakopo ye. Honorable Kofi Ada time I know Ministry of Sanitation. Munchama dia Bako Kofi Ada ye. Abaya no ye bas branding wo mahama time ye fence. Zama mi binu ye fence. Mun ka bi din G5 Tivo. Braba no bo. Nya bas branding no ye. Wo mu ina se so mo refund ye sika mai. But ye bufu abotie etete ni pe kum ni pa ne se. Now when you're MP or Jim Minister salary, no asaji MP salary, no aji double salary, no ya tehu okromha, no bi akwachi akokwa baako, no ya china tum 10 years, no bi aji abansika double yemfi no.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the
boss. Can you say man kasa?
Smart.
Hey. Me ma men kasa min chro. Radio stations are Ghana nyina, TV stations are Ghana nyina kasa me. Wo hia me wo ho a. Na Facebook block me. YouTube block me. Me the megaphone be sim cast one nam. So when you catch your plane, look. Anytime the wise keep quiet, fools multiply. Anytime you see the wise men in society keeping quiet, the fools multiply.
He is smart. He is unique.
And we will not keep quiet for the fools to multiply. Because anybody be wa bre o man yi ho. Debia me hear Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah lying in his grave na osu or him anim sa na papa no or tini so sa ɔte ne suo saa ada Kwame Nkrumah sere kakra ɛyɛ da ɔte ɛyɛ health insurance ɔte free maternal health care ɔte youth employment na ɔkɔ ɛno akyi na ɔbaayɛ na ɔbɛbɛte napco kakra na ɔbɛte free senior high school afei wasa nsu biom na mbisa sɛ Kwame na adɛn ne sua na wusu amena yi mu ɔse kojo you don't know na I'm saying old boy I don't know tell me ɔse this is not the Ghana I left for you guys adeɛ bi a mo bɛ start bia no na mo asɛ no sɛ kurom ha yɛ wei wo bɛne besia wo dwonso besia wo bɛhyɛ shirt besia wo hyɛ dross besia wo bɛhyɛ trouser besia yɛ didi besia yɛ num nsuo besia nsuo besia Flagstaff house besia Jubilee house besia everything we are doing is besia are we not becoming fools? This one is not a target at any government. No. Look, I have said it and I will repeat. Danado, if you are looking for genuine presenters in this country who like and love you, I do.
Captain Smart.
Baumia, you know, ask your special assistant, Gideon Boako. If you're looking for people who like and love you, I do.
He is smart. He is unique.
Mahama Bedi presidency. Maybe I say me buy you now. Mishan two. Say two. On in the mienu. First one, Jubilee House. Jubilee House. Central for Yakoho, Kasa, Lemihunu, Namchiano. Second one, Menemere, Ishano Dubai Airport. Asa! Anna, Yako, and the son on your president. Yako and this manifesto with no opposition. Me can't have Moteko Yaso. But me catch them where airport will be or be as a smart Sena de Casa or Yanogano. So it means the bed Dubai, Hadam Catches old man. Adiaba could be power. Why you and Kawana Lucy? I don't say that I'm saying, Grafana, you're born this way corrupt. One few of Muja Wuja Shahasa, I want him of power airport, which I don't have Hamabusan. Airport to her, may you shame and did not come at time say Honey Jai. I feel I'm here anymore or
he is smart. He is unique.
When you touch Ghana, you touch my heart.
Smart is the king.
If you care to know. This has nothing to do with certificates. It's got to do with brains to develop this country. It's got to do with brains. And I'm going to catch you say, we need one house, one cocoa tree project in this country to boost cocoa production. Now, listen, since I will share Facebook, cars. This is the current state of the cars now. City FM presenter, Aquacocha, yade Guantanamo Bay style, Aquacocheno, say why then, cars in the Gumuram Hono. Meanwhile, I'm Crawford and I'm a Montana driver for the Montana or Pekka crowd, the Iowa can pay, or Yabi. That's it. Yesika. Manasa Azure. Time I'm one multimedia. Yeah, Gallo personal Rollins na Kokraba yo. Rollins. And a Kokra cast in a bag Ghana. Cast in a Gumuram sa, a Wadenta, a Gumuram sa. Now, if a car ne cost on Nemura swinging in the car, Nemura ne car ne competition. You never buy a hosono, Nendriana Yinache, Carnina, Nakas Naka Wuranim. Then you sue 332 gallopers, a monotia robber. Ye Jagumuram ho besin from Rollins's time up to today. Ye penny or dream penny or Nimiansa, Sakai, ye bet me a bois, near to be you supposed for, and Yaka Cram Fam Pamakro for, ye Winyansa, Jimmy, catch Jimmy Kwa. Nakas Nakamuram ho. And then so national security as well. Cars are coming.
He is smart. He is unique.
Ghana mebu ma menka sa monchira mo.
Captain Smart is the king.
Muhammadu mfie dunum. Ekosi mfie duanan enum. Baby o man na duru no eyeyenya. Say yebema ye ho kwan na yatena se din a oman ne bebo. We need to rise up. Hete Turkey eye mebunu na sore ye na woje Turkey si ho. China ye ande ye bon nyom ye to yensem bon sem fra wo mu yi. Eye mebunu na sore ye na China be ye China. Bisa Australia eye mebunu na sore ye. South Africa eye sore ye. Eba ne sign and na ye da krom ha. Na the youth of the country. Fra. So what that? Who we tutu? Who tutu? Who na? Who jogi? We've got no other country anywhere to stay apart from Madagascar. Every Friday, a youth forum on Smart TV. Because he said, yeah, but transmission on Smart TV, no? Yeah, main programs. So, man, every Friday evening, if you had the beer, a youth forum. And then Minister Ba, Pekoko board. Minister Ba, Opesonet. Minister Ba, Onchutro. Nanyama. New Delhi, mosquito. We a killer, so kukura. What to was ya? Ogi. And a progress of Basaya. What solid months? The Obehuni in Anderson, Tuntuni in a bewusted sheep. What a grant him in Tomfaho. Pao Fre 050 000 3434. Freeze Company Limited, where they are a solar. Solar, near the power bank. Which now will now say, can anybody do more? Say, you will do so Champions League. And you may community band and win a Champions League, you know. Well, you do Mukana chess, I want to win a Champions League in Patriot Shrobra. Same coping season spices no waje so adua be ye the year stew the year what the guma ne de perfect na what the annex on my say what ni fa na so be Bomodiana on my say ho on be ma obi dodo na de ye me declare say de say you doom na fe wo bedru fie no wo so ye na wo dem kama na wo na wo kro no me 43774750 and Chenya Zaisha oh e be boost your immune system no Zaisha no osana e be bu nsa brani na eko na capsules so no aba bra be diu member sem ofie dibia oh bibia ye dibia obedi na wadi ne ye wo Yesu di mu but what hey 46 348 334 and S Trading Agency Limited where they are door to door services any baby a person or the could be don't put money near my bagana menstrual ma bontimi nto yam kama baby I wish bia wo tokrom hono ye de ma no de bebrel you can 44 796 540 Frankie Cleaning Services and so if you are you feel do if you no much cleaning every west for construction cleaning it's me now renovation or year do make cleaning for contracts hospital say what fee say it'll be say hotel be say motel be say guest say from clean your mouth. Oh, friend was 246 757 46 it was so do. One of the stars and you did a smart show every on Smart TV. Yeah. So we'll be right back.
New Daji mosquito killer no. Juma papa.
New Daji. Say na ye use no. Ye New Daji. Every nadaka no. 23 free suboko. Na fa na no shem New Daji mosquito killer product no. Na fe chima no shem ye. We are funny cable no. Extra charger head mo na plug. Na so what's a plug no pe we be hunu say light no a ewo product no ho aso eno ano no
New Daji mosquito killer we nso de enwu siesem bia animu
dabi ena pomodini mu haw bia so nim liquid ene gumu o prago sisu a bosumu mu a ansa na asa
we betumi nso a connect cable no ama laptop ana power bank ama naso se dro no sa pebito na fa replace dada na a ehye mu no ne bo efo pa
New Daji mosquito killer ewo hoyi the progress super no entontom convention we yi ti pe why gone too soon
wo so na najo a e ma okania
New Daji mosquito killer
wo be da filia femu
Looking for a shipping service that's reliable, on time, and affordable? Your best solution is ANS Trading Agency Limited. At ANS, we handle all kinds of shipping from door-to-door courier services from London or Europe. We also import left-hand vehicles such as articulators, trucks, and all kinds of cars. For your duty issues on 20-50 feet containers, we have you 100% covered. It doesn't matter where you're shipping your vehicles or goods from, either from China, Europe, America, or any part of the world. We are the best with duty. Contact us via www.answer24.com or call us on these numbers.
We are the best.
A Frankie Cleaning Services. Yen free yo. Yasem yinana say yakofa niema papa this is yefi eba industrial and commercial equipment, fragrance chemicals are ye cleaning. Ye experts in cleaning services. Your work is the nije sunku na ye ejuma. Eba hotel, restaurant, bank, hospitals, baby be we here see what ye dembe fear. Your work no, your chemicals no, your fragrance no. Eba cleaning na edini ba ko pegana. Frankie yakofa industrial and commercial equipment sa ye ton e dia ba be gudwaso eba mobs any bibie this is if dia you will do so po kai sesa ne me nyina free Germany ya o kaneshi odoko highway no so Fisherman's building ne pay for 0246 706757 and 0302 957 642 Frankie Cleaning Services, cleaning for a better environment.
The CEO of Kennedy Digital Satellite, Yatonto Home Appliances, BTC, TVs, fridges, gas cookers, air conditioning, washing machines, fufu machines, a DNA will pay. Home appliances ya over Kennedy Digital Satellite. Winya, dear the power Kennedy Digital Satellite. We say, ya share Emma Ghana, a bank Ejuma Yafua, Muji Market ya, a free controller and accountant general. Tutu Mrikanebra, Yawo, Kumase, Edum Family Plaza, and I sounds will be your Patase, Adum House, Fusi and Kraya, Bra, Wedja, Old Barrier, traffic light, I see a wow. Accra branch, the telephone number 02430 7475 Kumasi 0207 653031. Ghana eba home appliances here. The headquarters any Kennedy Digital Satellite. Kennedy nye.
Yeah, sign ABBA on Smart TV. This is the Smart Show. Medika Kacho say every Friday piano a youth forum. And it's a way your bebuna. Your numbers no number the no na obefre. Every Friday piano ofre na we your bebuna you say obana obeye o party once more high pamo. We are not here for political parties. We are here for the Ghana party. It's a whole banner with the MPP no NDC but don't bother to call us at all. But you can be NDC. When you come and you want to speak for Mother Ghana, you are allowed. You can be NPP like me. If you want to come and speak for Mother Ghana, you are allowed. Okay, Techafifa, my dear brother, where are you? It's been a long time. I know you are doing well. Keep good. Me point. Every Friday, the National Youth Forum. It is the National Youth Forum. Ubeba, na the opesa okano. Now, once we throw fire, na yehunu, okasana wo baby awokono wo nye host. O do na kwa tachimwa, ye betwa ba bipo no so host no pere metimi akwa tachim, wuntimi kwa tachim no bi. But I said I was saying pebi betimi akwa na ye ana ye kono. So this is the Smart TV and this is the Smart Show. And you may me wa tawa ha na mo abrante ba ko kan ho. Ni din atape na menim to no abeda ne ho adi. Na afei nsembisa ewo ho no ye timi dia to so oba ye nwumre na asem na nse mmabunu ne bre pa. Ono ofa ye wi a na obi kan we throw microphone akọ ne sanifa ho no so. Senior body mai
Captain, ready?
Mike ne kuta on fa ko no. Yeah, Juma. Opeso who I said today so the mic.
What kind of Ghana? I'm a moon na pala emrantie na moon pen any moon pen nyina na akama ye. Captain me did the affairs Alasan Ibrahim. You me feel of Nava and I name them my 12 hen. Menya bre papa and then you break it on am dia ba.
Boko.
Because Captain Omani ye bread. Me better me tie and someone and you may have boss from day one out to be our end day now. Captain. We are gonna membu pa dia. I said the Obomba ma captain. Because Captain you need to be a Ujina Hodema or my Ghana. When you know how many food, when you know how much be Captain Jina family, Edema, a Mamuna, your or Mamu, any money penny now. Because Captain can't Sika Chuchu dear Sika Horo, I Edema ministers now. I am Nami Crum at some of us at some or that, Ecoca Bonturiase, a Subua, your MP. Honorable Kodo upon Kroma.
I want to fee.
Because this was a minute fear ban who say,
the fear in our feeling.
They say, Honorable Kodo upon and Kroma. Honorable, as you go. And count so. Only nominee. A quan bonnet daho. Free Kwame Nkrumah pencil.
Hey,
Or that bridge.
or dan bridge.
Or that. Or so bremo bridge. One I was one able. And so, and still, I found out that and so when you search people to say, Mr. Smart. Also, some young count.
And comes on what they can't say, no, what they made there.
A quiet that one away, we name penny for. I'm a winning them. And make come my yard. And say, Ghana, I think you see trust. Because you see, 63 years of Mother Ghana. So here in fear that 64 or so, 64. We here in fear that of my Ghana so. And your rules in that. And my boom, yeah, bread, and yet you man, yeah. And yes, you no papa and nom. Nase, Tibia, you woman, Nase. Obi a sorry for Becana says, a man in Candia. Na Ghana memoirs or say also Becana says, Yamam Candia. Nasa Ghana and penny for a binimu. Because a binimu, so when you're going to be deep. It's almost free. Some about one Sabeca. But such people say, journalists need be to say, your brother, your papa, captain, no more can you say, shut your mouth down there. I'm say Ghana. I'm queen, my Galamsey. Oh, for so, say Galamsey, no, ever quite the right way. But, and you're in a year one. Okokade. Akotia, me mami free kade. Kade na me mami ofi. Galamsey no enkofu etu galamsey no. Ye chi omo a. Ekwa ye do mo nas, e de omo nam so no. E ye the right channel senke do mo fa so no.
Ade ye omo dey.
Masa, ye chi wa. Yo baby adoba.
Adoba he.
Ye do ye say be headquarters. Me bra, ye do no bet na 6 months. Sika twitwi dia otu ya no.
Ah.
Oh.
Only my son work no.
Minima, me brother and number. I met my friend. What they are to speak? Obi abeti. Your friend Yakubu. Or a man ya Juma. Or
Mike nko
or a man ya Juma. Or Juma. Akotia ya Juma and them. Ya chido discipline ya dem man ya son alive. Ebu bunu. Or edne by headquarters. Sikaya chiska chuchu dia ye tuya.
What you bribe?
Bribe.
Muchama.
No, you don't call. I say, oh, baby, do awesome. Say, I don't know why I can't say your friend. As soon as you bet you say,
hey,
oh, maybe I'm about to show you so. Or Baba show you so, my captain, when I do come on.
Okay.
As soon as you are okay, you bet you say, we are identify how bet you say, we are, won't try you now. So, won't try you now. And that's how cool, and I said, you don't Kungalamsi. I said, you don't
why you be that?
Me pato captain me nye bi da. Because Galamsey adwuma na captain me da na misuro.
Enya de pa.
Enya de pa.
Esensuo.
Excavator se ya chia. Sabepe ya chia. Ye twaja tum. E me se constituency be bree ho a omo so nye excavators. Na omo de ya adwuma constituency nim, but ya chia ye twaja tum.
Ma woni ana so nkasa.
Ayo Ghana for midamasi say mutie Smart TV enumre na Mr. Smart midase pa enumre we no me hu juru me pa me dadao me hu juru me na me hu juru me pa me ya igbeni pure enti se me kakasa no ana me katwi no a enya mo fa cheme aha na me pese me bisa say sana abrabo we nti ana esuban we nti mu be pa ye chew say yen voti ma mu ana because me nti ase e ti say me parent ana nkrofo ayewu me no omu nti ase
na sabet me kan wona free
what you say me pese me pisa
bet me kan brofo kakra na wona na o de frafra ka de obe kuma bet me
pese me pisa say the way oman no ekono mu pese youth for no omu ye den because enu nti ekronobo edos wo Ghana enu nti nkola kitikiti hwe kasuwa say nkola ekoji siketro for what reason? Where are we going? Where are we heading to? Because of money. There is no work for the youth. There is no work for the youth. Industries say multi ema youth for na mu pɛ dwuma yɛ smart hwɛ every year graduate university graduate for ɔmo friend saying graduate nipa dodo saying ɛna ɛyɛ university graduate for ɔmo tumi nya dwuma ɛyɛ obi mu dani friend saying moto friend saying okada mu promise ɔmo say mu ba mu bɛ yɛ ma ɔmo yɛ okada biom ɔmo di car na bɛ bisa bɛ ma ɔmo ni ade promise bɛ pray ɛma ɔmo ɛwɔ hi saa promise ni nyina ɛkɔsi hifa na ɛyɛ mi wɔn mu apa sɛ peter mɛwu tumi kɔ voter region east corridor road nusu ɔkɔyɛ campaign wɔ hɔ bifa saa kwan no so last friday ɛkɔ voter region a mi hu ɛkwan no so gblagbɔ odu fia master ayɛ sɛ gblagbɔ
ɛno no yɛ den a
ti sɛ ɛkwan no nyɛ one side na ɛkɔba se
ɛno no yɛ
gblagbɔ yes ɛdɔso hwɛ ɛnyɛma no nkɔ yie hwɛ obi fɔ bɛdu fie no ti sɛ ɛyɛ masaje o hwɛ ɛkwan no nyinaa sɛe na yɛba hwɛ before aman wei bɛkɔ anim hwɛ yɛsi ɛfrɛ no sɛn clean let keep Ghana clean fine before saa nyɛma no bɛkɔ so no hwɛ mu kɔ school ba anyansa no metumi a consulti the way who consulti saa mpanimfoɔ anaa ahemfofoɔ sɛ ɔmo boa o ɛwɔ galamsey adwuma no wobɛtumi a consulti ahemfofoɔ so ɛwɔ kwan bebree so that is a good step I will take here.
nti wo feel sɛ den na yɛ mpanimfoɔ
yes running time sɛ woyɛ ɔman pa anaa beebi a ɛyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ den mɛnfa rubber etu fɔn yɛde rubber wodo rubber tu fɔn a ɛyɛ sɛ yɛ bo yɛfa praeɛ ma wo so na ɛsa pra.
okay.
sɛ wo gata woyɛ ɛfrɛ no sɛ wo store ɛwɔ kwan no na woyɛ business ɛwɔ kwan no na yɛbɛtu wo gata anim a ɛyɛ ma ɛyɛ fia ɛyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ kyakye wo
okay.
asa na Ghana bɛtumi ayɛ clean this is simple and short